I am S. Aishwarya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce SF in V.V. Vanyaperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. Now, I am going to tell about the nature of management and functions of management from the course Principles of Management. First, in this video, we are going to see about the meaning of management, definition of management, nature of management, and features of management. First, going with the meaning of management. Management is fundamentally concerned with the performance of planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling the activities. It is the common knowledge that single individual cannot do all the work by himself. The work is always shared with others. Therefore, management is fundamentally getting things done with others. Next, going with the definition of management. Here, according to the Henry Fayol, management means to manage, is to forecast and plan, to organize, to compound and to coordinate and to control. Here, he explains all the activities which are to be done by the management. Next, going with the nature of management. The nature of management consists of three headings: multidisciplinary, management as both science and art, management as profession. First, management as multidisciplinary. Management is a multidisciplinary that implies that although management has been developed as a separate discipline, it draws the knowledge of various concepts like economics, anthropology, sociology, and psychology, etc. Next, management is both science and art. Management implies with the willing of the effective manager has to learn principles management like how would scientist does, and to practice those principles on continuous basis to get a perfection just like an artist does. Then third one is management as profession. Management has been regarded as a profession by many, while many have suggested that it is not achieved the status as profession. So these three are the nature of management. Next, going with the functions of management. The functions of management has classified into 11 headings. They are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, motivating, controlling, innovation, representation, decision making, and communication. First, going with planning. Planning is a primary function of the management. Nothing can be done without planning. Planning refers to deciding in advance which will be done in the near future. In the business world, organization should achieve the objectives. To achieve the objectives, planning is an essential one. Planning tells about who to be done, how to be done, and where to be done, and whom is to be done. Next, organizing. Organizing means it is a distribution of the work according to the group wise or the section wise. Organization divides the total work and coordinates all the activity to the authority relationship. The manager would determine who to be the work to be done. Staffing. Staffing refers to the placement of right persons in the right jobs. Staffing includes selection of right persons, training to those needy persons, promotion for the best persons, retirement for the old persons, performance appraisal for all personnel, and adequate remuneration of personnel. The success of an enterprise depends upon the successful performance of staffing function. Next, directing. The actual performance of a work starts when the function starts. Planning, organizing, and staffing functions are concerned with the preliminary work for the achievement of organization objectives. But the direction deals with the making the workers learn techniques to perform the jobs assigned to them. Direction includes the guidance, supervision, and motivation of the employees, and managers supposed to do all these activities. Next, coordinating. All the activities are divided into group wise or section wise under the organizing function. Now, such grouped activities are coordinated towards the accomplishment of the objective of an organization. The difficulty of the coordination depends upon the size of the organization. Once the organization size is bigger, then there will be a lacking of coordination. Next, motivating. The goals are achieved only with the help of motivation. Motivation helps to increase the speed of performance of a work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. Motivation is done by a resourceful leader. The workers expect favorable climate conditions to work, fair treatment, monetary or non-monetary incentives, effective communication and a gentleman approach, which are expected even by a common man. Next, going on with the controlling function ensures that the achieved objectives conform to pre-planned objectives. Necessary corrective action may be taken if there is any deviation. The control is very easy whenever the organization has a fixed standard. A good system of control has the characteristics of economy, flexibility, understanding and adequacy to the organizational needs. Next, innovation. Innovation refers to the preparation of personnel and organization to face things made in the business world. Continuous changes are being made in the business. Consumers are satisfied only when there is an innovation. Innovation includes developing a new material, new products, new techniques in production, new package, new design of a product and cost reduction. Next, representation. A manager has to act as a representative of a company. He has dealings with customers, suppliers, government officials, banks, etc. It is the duty of every manager to have the relationship with others and in a good manner. Next is decision making. Every employee in an organization has the number of decisions to take. Decision making helps to smoothen the functions of the organization. A proper objective is achieved when there is a proper decision making is done. Then the last one is the communication. Communication is the transmission of human thoughts, view or opinion from one to another person. Only when there is a proper communication and a proper channel, a proper communication is achieved. Workers are informed about what should be done, where to be done and which should be done. Conclusion: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, motivating or activating and controlling are the main functions of the management. Innovation, representation, decision making and communication are the subsidiary functions of management. The management are done with all these. Thank you.